Electricity is one of the most vital and fundamental utilities for national development. The government of Thailand regards the participation of the private sector in the country's production and distribution of electric power as one way to increase competition, to provide stability, and to reduce the investment burden on the state. IPP, or Independent Power Producer Projects, and SPP, or Small Power Producer Projects, have been developed under the governance of the Energy Policy and Planning Office and the Electricity Generating Authority of Thailand, also known as EGAT. One such project is the Cogeneration Combined Cycle Power Plant, operated by Sahacogen Chonburi Public Company Limited. Sahacogen was founded as a joint venture among 4 companies in the Saha Group, namely Saha Patana Pibun Public Company Limited, ICC International Public Company Limited, S&J International Enterprise Public Company Limited, Saha Patana Interholding Public Company Limited, and the Zern Group of the United States, which is a consortium with extensive experience in the design, construction, development, and management of medium-sized power plants. Our cogeneration combined cycle power plant originally was designed to produce 122 megawatts of electricity and 41 tons of steam per hour. 90 megawatts of this output is sold to EGAT, and the remaining electricity plus steam is supplied to industrial users at the Siracha Saha Group Industrial Park in Siracha of Chonburi Province. We of Sahacogen Company attained firm confirmation from EGAT to purchase 90 megawatts of electricity under the Small Power Producer Program in March of 1996. In the following year, 1997, support for this project was acquired from the government's Environmental Office and the Board of Investment. Sahacogen Company also was able to conclude contracts for selling power to EGAT, purchasing natural gas from the PTT Public Company Limited, and having a power plant operated and maintained by Operational Energy Group Limited. In spite of the economic crisis which engulfed Thailand and Asia during that period, Sahacogen was able to obtain financing for the entire cost of the project in June of 1997. This totaled $53 million plus 520 million baht from a consortium of domestic financial institutions. Construction of the plant, a natural gas pipeline, and a power distribution system were completed, and the commencement of commercial operations was achieved in April of 1999. Sahacogen has chosen cogeneration combined cycle technology, which is the most efficient method for generating electricity and thermal energy in the form of steam. The cycle starts with the ignition of a mixture of fuel gas and compressed air in the combustion chamber of the gas turbine. The sudden expansion of this heated gas at the moment of combustion drives the turbine rotor and its coupled electric generator, thus producing electricity. After driving the gas turbine generator, the exhaust gas is introduced into the heat recovery steam generator unit in order to produce high-pressure steam for driving the downstream steam turbine generator and for serving industrial requirements. The steam supply to industrial users normally is extracted from the intermediate steam turbine cycle rather than from the high-pressure steam header. In its initial stages, the Sahacogen power plant had 2 gas turbine generators, each with an output of 45 megawatts, and one 38-megawatt steam turbine generator. Due to the high variations in demand from EGAT and the industrial park, the company has chosen the aeroderivative type gas turbines, which are capable of operating at partial load with minimum loss of efficiency. To ensure consistent delivery of electric power and steam to the industrial park, the company has designed a delivery control system to isolate the power plant automatically from the national grid when any external disruptions occur. If the plant's operation is interrupted entirely, backup power from the PEA will be imported automatically and supplied simultaneously to industrial users. Steam will be supplied from a backup boiler with a capacity of 41 tons per hour. Later, in November of 2002, the company successfully integrated a 9.8 megawatt and 20 tons per hour steam cogeneration unit into the original plant. The expanded facility has enhanced the company's production, vastly improving stability, reliability, and operational efficiency. In that same year, the company changed its shareholding structure and became a public company, with the trading of shares in the stock market commencing in January of 2004. Money was invested as equity funding for the installation of another gas turbine. This provided an additional output of 45 megawatts. Also added was one heat recovery steam generator with a capacity of 20 tons of steam per hour. This was used to increase supplies to industrial users. 28 tons per hour of high-pressure steam displaced the existing production process at the time, which had low efficiency caused by the heated gas from the direct ignition of the fuel gas. This expansion resulted in the company's ability to produce electricity in case the heat recovery steam generator required maintenance. This expanded project further allowed us to distribute electricity to industrial users starting in March of 2005. We completed the generated cogeneration combined cycle in October of 2005. At present, Sahacogen power plant has the production capacity of 174 megawatts of electricity and 81 tons of steam per hour to support a rapidly increasing demand for electricity and steam in the industrial park. As international certification for our efficient energy generation and reliable energy distribution, the company has received ISO 9001 version 2000 from the Management System Certification Institution, Thailand. The company regularly and continually examines and controls any impacts affecting the environment. As a result, Sahacogen has received full certification from the Office of Environmental Policy and Planning of Thailand's Ministry of Science, Technology and Environment. The certificate states that Sahacogen is a company that implements the appropriate prevention and mitigative measures in accordance with Environment Impact Assessment Category A power plant in the year 2000. In 2002, Sahacogen Company was certified as compliant with ISO 14001 version 1996, the environmental standard set by the Thai Environment Institute. As a result of consistently monitoring and effectively controlling the maintenance of its environmental standard, the company has been recertified with the latest standard, ISO 14001 version 2004, by the Management System Certification Institution, Thailand, in the year 2005. With this positive approach to power production, we at Sahacogen Chonburi Public Company Limited are determined to continually improve the efficiency and quality of our power production and service operations. We shall continue to safeguard our environment as we work for the total development of Thai industry, now and far into the future.